Speaker explain himself as far as some allegations in the media, for example, yung pag-deliver ng mga pera sa kanya? Did he address that and did the commissioners ask about it?
It was asked, of course, and he denied it. Okay.
Attorney, may mga in-implicate ba na pangalan kanina si Speaker Romualdez na possibly involved sa corruption?
Wala siyang in-implicate na possible, ang sinabi niya lang kung sino yung mga tao na involved dun sa budget process. So yun yung mga imbitahin ngayon ng commission. I cannot divulge the names first, no? But we will inform you once we have invited them.
Sir, may anong laman?
Pwede last na kasi medyo kami.
Anong laman ng affidavit, Speaker? Former Speaker.
What's
Kaya kakabigay pa lang sa amin, no? So kaya nga humingi kami ng time kasi it was given to us right before the hearing. So we need time to scour and to really study, pag-isipan namin at pag-aaralan at babasahin ng mabuti.
Sir, did
So
you
ngayon wala pa
voluntarily
kami.
submit the affidavit or the ICI asked for the affidavit?
No, nag-submit siya mismo.
Sir, doon kumbaga sa investigation ng ginagawa ng ICI, saan nakalagay si Martin, Speaker Romualdez? How important is the role? Kasi paano ba to? We're talking about insertions, so na-pry ba yung paano naggagawa yung mga insertions sa mga budget because that's the root of it?
Well, syempre, hinahanap natin kung ano talaga nangyari. And him being the speaker, being the leader of the House at that time, will be able to provide us important information on that, no? As far as his role is concerned or possible liability or accountability is concerned, that is up to the commission to decide on.
Sir, kanina
Okay.
po sinabi ni former
Last na,
Speaker
kasi
Romualdez na he's willing to release his SALN if the commission requires him to do so. Is there a possibility na humantong tayo doon na i-ask natin yung mga high-ranking officials like Speaker Romualdez, former Speaker Romualdez?
Sinabi niya ba yan?
Yeah.
Hindi ko na sinabi. So sige, we'll probably take that up sa commission as inform ko yung tatlo. Then if they decide to ask the former speaker about his SALN, then probably they will do that in the next hearing. Okay?